In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by going into Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're done, hit this button at the bottom left corner of a plus. Now to add an audio file, select Files section, click on Audio filter at the top, and look for your file over here. You can also access one of those apps instead, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources, like downloads. After locating your file, you need to hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. If you want to add video one instead, click on Gallery section, choose while using the app or only this time, and then click on your video over here. Now we need to decide if you wish to send it in the form of Google Photos link or low quality video. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, select Add. You can also click on Folders instead. Click on your video over here and do exactly the same. If you want to, you can always select Folders, then click on Albums and look for your video over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!